Hello guys, what's up? It's Cyclos here. Welcome back on my channel. So today is the day where I have to finish the video on the RTX 3080 Mini. So made a box, as you can see, for the occasion. So it's never gonna be finished, right? There is always updates to make on the final product, but I think it's now the end. So I finished with the box here. As you can see, just made a conventional one. It's really small compared to other 3080 boxes, but there you go. That's it. Unique edition. So doing the unboxing is very simple. There is only one that, so we open the box just like this and you got the card inside. Yeah, so since I'm gonna keep this card, almost probably forever, I just made a box, and here we have the card itself. So you already seen this card with the shorts I uploaded and with my first videos, but here it is. So there are some changes from the back plate, because I had to repaint it, making the holes bigger to be able to screw the GPU holder, and that's probably it. Yeah, I don't know if the focus is gonna be good, but yeah. So I kept the same fans. This is Knox Chromax fan here, which are pretty good. The copper radiator, full copper radiator here. I use 2.5mm pads there and 3mm for the VRM, and on the back plate it's 2.5mm also. Here you can see I got my little PCB adapter to go from the ribbon cable to the Knox fans and Cyclo RTX. I wanted to put some light LED in there and to take back the light signal, but I didn't make it, so maybe later. That's the kind of improvement I can do, and yeah. But overall, the look of that stays really clean, and it's really small compared to the biggest one there. But the performance are also a little bit different. So yeah. Okay. So I'll put right next to that the performances, some benchmark I made. I did not especially compared it to the other one there. So this one has the performance of let's say a really stock 3080, a little bit less than that, maybe less than 5% difference between a 3080 stock. And in terms of temperatures, I made the 100 volt the best I could on that, but it's definitely not gonna have the same cooling as a bigger card, right? But it's way enough to play. For huge demanding games, you will only see a difference of maybe 5 to 10 FPS. For example, if that bigger one, 3080 there, runs at, let's say, 90 FPS, then on that one you will run 80 to 85, with a temperature going at maximum to 75 maybe, with being, staying quiet. While staying quiet, because these two fans, Knox fans, are really quiet for the airflow they give to the radiator. Okay, so I'll put the result down there, and maybe I'm gonna put some tear down and or building assembly. Yeah. All right. So I think that's it for the project. If you're interested by this kind of thing, do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. And I should do a lot of video, but it takes time to record and put the cameras, all that stuff. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Do not hesitate to put any question in the comments. I will seriously try to answer to all of them, and if you feel interested, you know what to do. See you guys.